I got 2 tips for you if you're replacing a turbocharger on a Subaru. Next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
Subaru has been using turbochargers for more than 20 years. It improves their fuel economy and also improves their performance. But they can fail. And the typical failure, well, it centers around the oil in the oil pan and how it's delivered to the turbocharger. When you're replacing the turbocharger, pay special attention to the oil supply line and the banjo bolt. Inside the banjo bolt, there might be a mesh filter. If the mesh filter has debris and contamination in it, well, it's a sign that typically the turbocharger was starved for oil. Subaru recommends removing the mesh screen to improve oil flow, but they also recommend looking in the pan if there's any other debris that can indicate an internal engine failure. Another thing to look at when you're replacing the turbocharger are the 2 copper washers on the oil supply line. These should be replaced every time you change out the turbocharger or supply line. Why? Well, every time you crush down that banjo bolt, those copper washers conform to the 2 surfaces. So it's a one-time use only item, and make sure that you replace it every time. Chances are you've got a few customers who have Subarus. If you keep these 2 tips in mind when servicing the turbocharger, that second turbocharger is going to last a very long time. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.